Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have BaseUs Bowie MA10 and I'm going to show you how to easily set audio device type on your Android phone. Let's get started. First you have to remove our headphones from our case, because we want them to connect with our phone. Now we can scroll down to our control panel and hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click this gear over there, and as you can see there's an option audio device type. We have to click on it and we can select from not set, speaker, headphones, car, hearing device and other. We can choose headphones. And that's it. Goodbye.